To fix WhatsApp desktop app not opening on Windows 10, and will help you get back to chatting without delay. Are you facing this problem where WhatsApp desktop clicks open but nothing shows, or it closes instantly on your PC? This issue usually happens because the app cache is corrupted, background services fail to start, Windows updates break app permissions, or network sync gets stuck after system change. Sometimes antivirus or firewall rules quietly block WhatsApp from launching. Many solutions on YouTube or social media feel complicated, ask you to reinstall Windows, run long commands, or follow messy steps that are hard to remember. On Rexish, I keep things simple and clear. I discovered a secret easy trick that fixes WhatsApp desktop not opening by resetting the right app data, fixing background permissions, and refreshing the connection the correct way. You do not need advanced skills, and you do not need any extra tools. This method works smoothly on Windows 10 and brings the app back to life fast. Make sure you watch till the end, because missing one small step can cause a problem to return. If you want a clean step-by-step tutorial that you can follow easily, comment below and tell me you are facing the WhatsApp desktop app not opening issue. Rexish always